So I'm back on the boat. Got the cable in today. Let's finish off the battery wiring. Just needed that extra meter of 70mm. Go from the auxiliary battery over to the main breaker. These here have got to be removed and then replaced with the 70mm. I've crimped one end on there, ready for the heat shrink. I'll measure that and then we'll install it and the job will be complete. The first thing I'll do is isolate both battery circuits. Just trip both the main breakers there. I've loosened the nut here, take that terminal off. Disconnect them. Pull these out and then start fitting that main cable. So I'll put the heat shrink on that end of the cable there. I'll run it through the back of the panel. I've made a mark where I need to cut it off to fit the lug. So I'll pull that back out now, crimp the other end on, and install it, and then it should be ready to go. Got the cable measured and in the cutter there. So make sure when you're cutting these cables, you hold the cutter nice and square to the cable. You get a nice square in like that. It fits nicely into the lug, you get a good join. Okay, finished installing everything. We'll turn the auxiliary breaker on. There's your cabin power on. Solar panel on. So there we go, got the lighting. Main board over here is live. Got a lot of different lights, cockpit lights. Some tunes there, and a CB radio. So it's all done and dusted now. That's the finished product. Like and subscribe. We'll start making some more content for you all.